Men are not saved only in the Catholic religion, but that even heretics may attain eternal life. Gaudium et Spes, Pastoral Constitution on the Church in the Modern World. Gaudium et Spes, number 22. For by his incarnation he, the Son of God, has in a certain way united himself with each man. One of the trademark heresies of the Vatican II sect is the idea that by his incarnation, Christ united himself with each man. Vatican II speaks of a union of Christ with each man that results from the incarnation itself. This idea is undeniably heretical. There is no union between Christ and each man that results from the incarnation itself. Union with Christ only comes from faith and baptism, for original sin is not remitted in any other way. Pope Eugene IV, Council of Florence, Cantate Domino. With regard to children, since the danger of death is often present, and the only remedy available to them is the sacrament of baptism, by which they are snatched away from the dominion of the devil and adopted as children of God. So we can see that Gaudium et Spes 22 not only ignores that unbaptized persons are under the dominion of the devil and are therefore not united to Christ, but it expressly denies this fact by teaching that every man has already been united to Christ in some way, even without faith or baptism. Union with Christ is also lost by separation from the Church, something Vatican II doesn't bother to mention. Pope Leo XIII, Satis Cognitum, number 5, June 29, 1896. Whosoever is separated from the Church is united to an adulteress. Gaudium et Spes, number 52. Those who are learned in the sciences